Hey everyone, welcome to my channel guys, and yes, 2025 for Bollywood will start with its big Republic Day release. Not really Republic Day, uske 2 दिन पहले ये movie आ जाएगी, but we have Sky Force, the official trailer dropped today and I'm not late. I am very very happy that I'm not late finally to react to a trailer. जिस दिन trailer आया उसी दिन मैं react कर रही हूँ. So yes, I'm proud of myself. 2025 में this is my new resolution कि usually मतलब मेरे को टैग लग गया है ऑन बोथ माई चैनल्स कि तो लेट लतीफ आज अगर ट्रेलर ड्रॉप हुआ गाना ड्रॉप हो तो उसका रिएक्शन तो अरसों बाद आएगा बट I'm going to change this in 2025. So anyway, so we have Akshay Kumar in the lead. We have Veer Paharia. We have Sara Ali Khan and Nimrat Kaur. So these are the main actors, the main star cast of this film. And as per the description, what it says is that this is the tale of India's first and deadliest airstrike. तो जितना मेरी रिसर्च से मालूम पड़ता है ये एयर स्ट्राइक 1965 में हुआ था. But we'll get more context once I watch the trailer. So let's not delay this any further. Let's watch it right away.
ये रेडियो पाकिस्तान है. चंद लम्हे बाद सदर पाकिस्तान फील्ड मार्शल मोहम्मद अयूब खान कौम से खिताब फरमाएंगे.
Oh, this is with Maddox Films. Okay, great.
तो उन्होंने किस कौम को ललकारा है.
Wait. I'm sorry. I'm going back because मैं pause करके कुछ लिखा है. Voice of Muhammad Ayub Khan, President of Pakistan. Yeah, 1965. Yes. So research ने तो सही ठीक information दिया मुझे.
हिंदुस्तानी हुक्मरान शायद अभी नहीं जानते कि उन्होंने किस कौम को ललकारा है. जंग शुरू हो चुकी है. दुश्मन को फना करने के लिए हमारे बहादुर फौजियों की.
So this is the actual audio.
पाकिस्तान के कवाम उस वक्त तक चैन से नहीं बैठेंगे जब तक दुश्मन की तोपें खामोश न हो जाए.
Okay. I'm rooting for Akshay Kumar, guys.
हम भी घुसकर मार सकते हैं.
We can't. We're a peace-loving country.
सोच बदलनी पड़ेगी. दूसरा गाल नीता दिखाते हैं, हम फौजी नहीं.
Nice dialogue. Introducing Veer Paharia. Okay, his first movie.
रिस्क लेना नहीं छोड़ेगा ना. जब जंग में कोई बाउंड्रीज नहीं होती तो ट्रेनिंग में क्यों रखो.
हम सब के अंदर जो आग भरी है आज वही आग हम सरगोदा पे बरसाएंगे और उन पाकिस्तानियों के पर खच्चे उड़ा देंगे. इंडियन एयरफोर्स आज पाकिस्तान पर अपना पहला एयर स्ट्राइक करेगा. And the mission is called.
कौन जनाब.
तेरा बाप हिंदुस्तान.
कौन जनाब? काफी VFX पे डिपेंडेंसी है इसमें वैसे.
In Air Force, we pledge to never leave one of us behind.
TK Vijay.
So he's still missing in action.
Oh my God, this song.
अभी की कोई खबर.
This is one of my favorite songs.
सर मेरी दरख्वास्त है उसे ढूंढने के लिए हमें पाकिस्तानी गवर्नमेंट पे प्रेशर डालना चाहिए सर. There is a possibility he might be alive.
Vijaya was rebellious. He broke rules. He behaved like a madman.
वो भी देश के खातिर ही तो गया था मिशन पर. कोई उसे ढूंढने की कोशिश क्यों नहीं कर रहा. लगता है आप सब उसे भूल गए.
You said he behaved like a madman.
Oh, that was a good shot.
इसी पागलपन के लिए एक फौजी अपने माँ बाप बीवी बच्चों को छोड़ के देश की सेवा करता है.
Oh, शरद केलकर भी है. Great.
और इसी मैडनेस को हम पेट्रियोटिज्म कहते हैं.
I like the jet shots. Wow. This was quite good. And I'm telling you, I am actually rooting for Akshay Kumar, huh? So yeah, let me stop this first. Wow, very, very interesting and a lot of things to talk about in this trailer, starting with the voice recording of Ayub Khan. Now, I am assuming here because it was specifically mentioned in the trailer. That's why I paused and I went back to just see कि अच्छा क्या लिखा था. So I'm assuming here that is the real voice recording and it has been made public. It is already there available in public records and it has been incorporated here in the film because this particular airstrike is a very important piece of history in Indian defense, because this is the first airstrike that the Indian Air Force ever did, and it was in response or in retaliation of the attack that happened to them, because वो clearly trailer में दिख रहा है. And it has also intrigued me to research more about this airstrike in Sargodha and to understand, because I think it will also help not just for me, but I'm just saying generally when we are going into a film which is based on true events, it is always interesting to read about it before we watch the film, because उससे movie viewing और भी interesting हो जाती है. So I think storyline wise this is the perfect pick for a Republic Day release, because the sentiments of patriotism are very, very high, and anyway, as per me, there shouldn't be any excuse to give a tribute or honor or respect to the Indian Armed Forces, even if it's through a film. Another thing which the trailer clearly suggests you that there's going to be a lot of high octane action scenes, especially with the fighter jets. They looked quite good to me, and I'll be very, very much interested to see how it looks on the big screen. What was surprising to me is the incorporation of Lata Mangeshkar's "Ae Mere Watan Ke Logo." It is one of my absolute favorite songs while growing up. मतलब अगर patriotic songs की आप एक category पकड़ लो, this one is the top tier one for sure for me, because it just invokes such beautiful emotions, and in the truest sense it is a song for people who go out of their way to serve the country, चाहे वो independence के पहले freedom fighters ले लो या independence के बाद हमारे Indian Armed Forces ले लो. Another very interesting thing for me to look forward to is the introduction of the new actor Veer. So let's see how he fares well. This is going to be his first movie, and to be a part of such a high action packed film जहाँ पे he is also playing one of the main characters. It's not कि Akshay Kumar is the lead. They both are leads, and you can clearly see from the trailer that he has a very, very prominent role. The movie clearly takes a time skip, because वहाँ पे अक्षय कुमार के dialogues और getup से ही पता चल जाता है that he is still searching for his partner. So he is still missing, but the search is still going on. Like Akshay Kumar is not giving up on him. And then we see Sara Ali Khan also, so she's paired with Veer. That is going to be an interesting pairing. She's also looking very nice, and obviously so that entire emotional angle of how the families also go through that same trauma, and how the families need to be brave and keep a brave face even in midst of tragedy. So that aspect I am getting is also going to get highlighted here. Additionally, I initially thought, because this trailer is released on Jio Studios channel, तो ये उन्होंने produce किया होगा, but then I saw okay, Maddox Films is also there, so there's actually a joint collaboration, which is great, because Maddox Films are on a mad roll. It's like they are having the Midas touch right now. So the fact that they're also co-producing this, yes, I am very intrigued with that as well. Next thing are the dialogues. Quite a few of them were very, very interesting. जो अक्षय कुमार इंडियन एयरफोर्स के बारे में बताते हैं वो भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. Then तेरा बाप, that was, yeah, I laughed at that, because yeah, it was, I mean, I know in the context of the film it's gonna sound so badass, but I think my favorite dialogue would be जब अक्षय कुमार से इसकी दूसरा गाल तो डिप्लोमेट पॉलिटिशियंस आगे करते हैं, soldiers नहीं. I really like that dialogue. So yeah, I think a lot of interesting things going on, because overall the trailer was very, very engaging. The editing of the trailer was also done well. Incorporation of Lata Mangeshkar's voice was phenomenally done. That was unexpected for me at least. And this is, as I said before, is because it's based on a true story, this is like the perfect release time. 26th basically, 24th को release हो रही है. It's a perfect Republic Day release, and I'm completely rooting for Akshay Kumar in 2025 because I really enjoyed the trailer. And can I just say the dynamic between Akshay Kumar and Veer also looks very good, because that bond really, really needs to be felt while you watch the film. So from trailer I could feel that that whole dynamic between them feels like a more mentor-mentee relationship kind of thing, or they could be like partners. So we'll get more context once the film releases. But overall, I enjoyed watching this trailer, and yes, I hope this is the first big hit from the Hindi film industry starting 2025. Let's wait and watch. And yes, that was my reaction to Skyforce. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. आपको कैसी लगी, अच्छी लगी, average लगी, खराब लगी? What are your overall thoughts on this particular trailer? And yes, I'm gonna sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.